So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, select accounts on left side here, and then you want to scroll down on the right. Underneath account settings, slide the sign in options. Select PIN, and then you'd want to remove the PIN. If there was a PIN presently set up, and then once you're done, you would need to restart your computer, or for the changes to take effect, and that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. One final thing we can look into as well would be to reset certain file permissions. So if you want to open up the search menu and type in CMD, on it slide Run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes, and now I'm going to have a command in. The description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it from the description of my video. And then I want you to paste it into the command prompt window. So in order to do that, just go ahead and right-click on the top bar, the command prompt slot and paste that in. Once that's done, it should conclude by saying that it successfully processes files. I didn't have any particular file permission errors, but in your case, it should be able to resolve these files successfully. And that's pretty much all you have to do.